Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Gracie. This is day 5 of our 10-day trip to Orlando. We are at Typhoon Lagoon today, and then later we will be going to Hollywood Studios. As you can see, I am a bit wet because me and Hadley were just in the wave pool over there like I showed you for 10 minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna go on the lazy river now. So yeah, see you then.
Running slowly is fun.
What?
Oh yeah.
Come on now. I'll start you.
Go to the back. Wait. Go under.
No.
Go under.
I can't get in if I go under.
You can.
That was fine when I was getting in.
Right,
You stay. Mind your head. There we go.
Oh my god, it just fell out.
You fell out. Okay guys, so we just made it into Hollywood Studios. So we're just here about to watch the Beauty and the Beast show, as you can see. But first, can I show you this new bag that I just bought? It is this Lotso one. He's so cute and he actually smells like strawberries as well. So yeah, like I was saying, we're just about to watch the show and then I think we're going to go on Rocking Roller Coaster. So, yeah.
As the years passed, he fell into despair and lost all hope.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, monsieur.
Where are you off to?
Oh, the bookshop. I just finished the most wonderful story about a beanstalk and an ogre.
That's nice. Marie, the baguettes. Hurry up.
Look, there she goes. The girl is so peculiar. Must be more than its provincial.
Shut coming to make Valheim.
She really is a funny girl, a beauty but a funny girl.
She really is a funny girl.
And now, we invite you to relax, pull up a chair, as the dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Be our guest, for our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we provide the rest. So be sure, hot our guns, fighting hungry to serve. Try the grace and it's delicious, don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance, after all, now this is France. And the dinner here is never second best. Go on and hold your hand, you take the plans and then you'll be our best. Be our guest, be our guest. Crazy, you are dinner, don't say crazy.
Okay guys, so we didn't finish watching it because we're heading over to Rocking Roller Coaster so then we can watch the villain show, but we have seen it before so it doesn't matter. So we're just heading over to Rocking Roller Coaster now, so yeah. Okay guys, so we just came off of Rocking Roller Coaster. That was Hadley's first upside down coaster. How did you find it? Good. Yeah? And right now we are just waiting to watch the new villain show. So we are going to watch that and I'll film a bit and then I'll see what's going to happen after that. I think we're going to grab a snack or something and then maybe do Tower of Terror again, so yeah.
We're also going to do Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Yep, at the end
We're
of the
going to come
night.
back here on the third day on Sunday.
Maybe. So yeah.
Kill.
There is me, do you? Dare you boo me too?
This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Magic mirror on the wall. Who's most misunderstood of all?
Who's the goldfish now, Peter Pan? Now you're all part of me crew.
Hey guys, so we just came out of that show. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was so good. I want to go watch it again if I could. But moving on from that, we are just at Tower of Terror. So we're just about to do that. And
Also, in the finish show, there was like this vote at the end for who's the most unfair of them all. I said Captain Hook. Gracie said.
I said Cruella.
And I won with Captain Hook.
Yeah, you said Captain Hook and he didn't.
Yeah, as soon as the wall changed, I knew it was Captain Hook.
So yeah, just coming on here, and we just did a pin trade, and I was so happy now because this guy came up to us and he said he was looking for the Tigger pin.
We're also gonna go
And
Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Yeah, and he was looking for a Tigger pin that I had. So I traded him for, it was a Tigger duck. So he traded me for the Dumbo duck because the only one who was looking for was Tigger. So I traded it even though I had them all because I knew that he had just had that one to finish, and he had a Tigger lounge twice, so I thought it was just meant to be. And he was so happy about it, and it just made me really happy. So that's one thing that I really do love about
Gracie
pin
made
trading.
someone else happy by trading one of my Captain America grip and what I got to do. She also traded one of her pins.
Yeah.
For two more Marvel grip pins for the collection. I just need the M now.
Yeah.
Also, there's a series called the Marvel Trucks. I want to collect all the Marvel Trucks.
Yeah. Yeah.
The goal is to get the M of the Rose and the Marvel.
So yeah, but no, that's one thing that I do love about pin trading. It just, once you pin trade with somebody and you know that they really love the pin, it makes you all nice and happy knowing that you made someone's day. And he goes home tomorrow as well, he told us, so he just finished it before he got to go home, so I'm super happy about that. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're just sitting here about to watch Fantasmic.
If I just rub it and wish. Oh no! You may think you're so powerful. Well, this is my dream.
gosh, oh, I loved that Fantasmic so much. I kind of remember it when I came last. I was only like 6, 7, I think. So yeah, it was so much better than I remembered. I completely forgot about the massive boat that comes with all the characters. So yeah, I was just sitting there in awe. It was beautiful.
My favourite bit was when Mickey shot fireworks out of his fingers. What was your favourite bit? Was it?
Yeah, was that your favourite? Yeah, we're just going to head on Mickey and Minnie's now. If it's got like a short-ish queue, but even if it doesn't, we'll probably go on it. But yeah, so we'll see you there. Okay guys, we're back at our hotel. We're going to sleep because we've got a busy day tomorrow, up early for Islands of Adventure. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you like our content and leave a like. Comment down below what you would like to see more of, like pins, parks, days out. But thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!